hay on their face. They both have a little bit of hay on their face.
They're cute. They look fat.
They do. Luckily, they're supposed to look like that. You want to follow her? I just got to lock the gate up behind us.
Okay, here we go. Beginning our encounter. They're right at the door.
The only other thing we need to do is add a nice little clip.
Oh my God, look at them. Hi.
Except for right on their chin.
Oh, you don't want me to pet you? Hi. Oh my God. Hi.
You're welcome to grab anything out of the bin here.
Oh, we can?
We just can't set it down because if we set it down, they will just eat all of it out of the bin and kind of ignore us a little bit.
Look at their teeth. Come here, I'm gonna give you some too.
So these guys are obviously capybaras. We have peanut butter and jelly here. So this little lady here is Jelly.
That's Jelly and this is peanut butter?
Yes. So you'll notice Jelly is very polite about how she eats peanut butter, a little bit less so. But he also has...
He's a guy, right?
Yes.
That explains it all.
He's also got this little oil patch right here on his forehead, so you can kind of tell who he is if you can't see them kind of right next to each other to see the size difference.
Look at their teeth. Look at their teeth. Can you see their teeth? Watch, let me feed them and look at their teeth.
Yeah, so they are the world's largest rodent species, so they've got those big rat-like teeth.
You ready? You see their teeth? Come here. I'm sorry, am I not going fast enough? Look, he's all in there.
Sitting.
Let me see, if I sit, let me see.
You need him to get off of you because he's too heavy or anything.
Yeah.
Put your hand right on his chest and push him backwards. He'll pop right down.
Oh my God.
Both of these guys are about 2 years old.
Wait! Oh my God! Wait! Wait! I can't get down. He's heavy.
He does weigh about 130 pounds.
Whoa, he's heavy. That was cute. Now wait, I'm gonna come. I'm coming. I'm sorry. Whoa! Can I take them home?
Etiquette. Jelly, do you think you can stand, honey?
Good
Good girl, Jelly Belly. Good girl.
Wow.
I kind of taught her to show off her tricks just a little bit, where she can stand up on those back legs. They are also incredibly fast. They can hit upwards of 20 miles an hour, both on land and in the water.
Really?
So it's very helpful for evasion. You'll see they can really turn on a dime as well, so they can just kind of
all that weight
and spin the other way. I know, it's very impressive, honestly.
Wow.
I definitely could not run at 20 miles an hour, but he does have 2 extra feet touching the ground, so I'm sure that helps.
Wow. Look at it.
Now, they've chewed all the bark off these logs. Oh, she's polite enough to pick it up off the ground for us. But as well, we do also give them a lot of antlers to chew on because antlers are a little bit stronger than wood. Right off the deer. Deer grow their antlers back every year, so during the springtime, we usually start to see them dropping them off to grow new ones out.
Both of them are standing up. Uh-oh.
I can pet them?
And you'll kind of see that they have a very similar shape to a guinea pig. It is their second closest relative.
Look at their feet. I just want to see your feet.
So they do spend quite a bit of their time in the water. They've obviously got a pool filling behind us. It did get cleaned out first thing this morning because unfortunately any body of water that you have is a bathroom to them.
Is she gonna jump in?
She's like, it's not quite warm enough yet.
Are you gonna get in?
You know, there's like
And then-
water that I didn't.
And then here he comes. So when they jump in, they just plop.
Kind of,
You
yeah.
think if I could share some of their water with them, they would let me? Absolutely not, huh?
She's like, I had.
Yeah, she just got right back on it. Look at that. You gonna let me? Oh, her head's all wet from the water.
Oh,
What's
probably drooled onto her.
What's this? You said there was something right there.
So that little patch on his face where he's kind of missing that hair is a oil gland. So a lot of rodents have them, particularly in the males. Most of them have them under the base of their tail. But since these guys don't have tails, the next best place for it essentially was up on their forehead. So they'll kind of rub their face on things to mark their territory.
Oh.
They do live in herds where like there's one male and then there's a bunch of ladies. So it can be anywhere from 30 to 100 individuals.
In one
group. Typically, eventually those will go off to find their own partners and start their own herds separately.
Wow.
Hey, it's me, TC. If you're new to my channel or enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.